Hey friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today I'm going to talk about the AWS Community Builder program, what it is, how you can apply for it, and what are the steps that I took in order to apply for it. So I will show you all the process from the intro, and after that I will answer some of the questions, and at the end I will also show you my methodology that I took, and at the end I will show you the swags that I received when I became an AWS Community Builder. So as you can see here that I'm currently present in the AWS Community Builders website. So this is a website that you need to check out. So I will give the link of that website in the description below so that you can check it out. And after that, this is the intro of it. So basically the AWS Community Builder program is a program that will offer you technical resources, the education and the networking opportunities in order to become a community builder. So you can learn the AWS and the cloud technologies when they will provide these resources, and it will become easy for you. All right. So what do I mean by education? So education, they will provide you free access to some kind of websites that I'm going to show you later on in this video, and you will be provided the networking opportunities that I'm also going to show you later on. So this is basically the program that will help you to make the AWS that will help you to make your journey of the AWS easy. All right, so that you can make projects in it, you can create content around the AWS, and you can create the blogs, or you can contribute to the AWS open source projects if you want to. So this is a community based program so that you can apply for it, and it will help you to learn AWS more efficiently. All right. So as you can see here, this is the short intro of it. You can read it, and they will be providing webinars, share insights, and they will be providing the latest services that they have not released, and you will gain access to them before releasing. All right, so they are all the things that will be provided to you. And basically, if you take a look at this, you can see that the application form for this program is currently closed. All right, so this application program opens 2 times a year. So currently it is closed, but if you want to apply, or if you want to apply it again, so it will reopen in the June 2023. All right, but you can add your name to the wait list if you want to get notified, and after that you can apply for it. If I show you the website of it, you can see that they are asking you for your name, email address, and after that this is the yes or no option that will basically show you that whether you will be notified or not. All right, in your email address. So this is the form that you need to fill in order to apply for it. And after that, if you want to learn from existing community builders, you can check out their dev.to website. This is a blog platform in which there are multiple blogs that the AWS community builders, as you can see, they wrote these blogs, they write these blogs, and after that you can get access to them for free. All right, so this is the dev.to what you can see, the AWS community builders page. You can check it out, and you can learn a lot of these things. And after that, when you will become the AWS community builder, you also need to create an account here, and after that you can share the resources in it. And once you become an AWS community builder, you can share the resources here also, or you can share the resources in the Hashnode or Medium or any other blog platform that you want to, but their official website is this one, or through which you can write blogs here. And after that, you can also create content in YouTube around AWS. So these are all the platforms that will be given to you, and you can create content around that. And at the end, you have to submit the reports of these content, that hey, in 1 month how many contents that I have created, and you have to provide all these content to the AWS Community Builder Program website that will be provided to you privately. All right, so that you can get access to them, and you have to submit the monthly reports also. So yeah. So if you want to browse the directory of the AWS community builders, you can also check it out. All right, so they will basically ask you also if you became an AWS community builder, so in order to enter the name of it. So you can see that these are the AWS community builder categories, like this one. And if you select anyone, I have dev tools, so if I select this one, my category will open, and after that these are the names that will be open to you if you became an AWS community builder. And after that, you have to insert your name also in order to be present in this directory. All right, so you will be also present in directory. But if I search my name, currently I'm not included because it will maybe take some time for me to be included here. Basically I have completed the form, I have filled the form, but they have not included my name yet, so it will take some time maybe. So this is the website through which you can communicate with other AWS community builder. All right, so this is how you will make connections with them in advance if you have not applied for them. All right, so let's what you can say, let's search them, any one of them. You can see that these are the previous AWS community builders, like from the 2020-22, 2020-21. all right, so the 2020-23 people will not be are not inserted yet. They will be inserted in the next year. All right, so let's open them, let's click on any one of them. So yeah, you can see that they have separate links that you can check them out, as you can see. And if I show you, you can see that this is the AWS LinkedIn page that you can check it out, and you can DM them, or you can ask for the reference also. I also got referred in the AWS Community Builder program, and I will show you. But you can ask them that, hey, I'm also applying for the AWS Community Builder program. Can you refer me? Or if there is a way, then you can refer them. But I don't know whether they will refer them or not. But the person I accessed has referred me, and he said that I put your name. So yeah. So this is the point. This is the page that you can search it, and you can connect with other AWS community builders. So let's save this, close this, and now these are some of the frequently asked questions that you can check it out, and I will go through each of them. But first of all, let me just show you what are the things that will be provided to you. So when you will become an AWS community builder, you will be provided a private Slack channel, and basically in this Slack channel there will be a lot of people who are the AWS community builders, and you can network with them, you can ask questions from them, and they will help you in understanding all these things. And you can share your content there also. Let's say if you have written a blog, or if you have created a YouTube video around the AWS topic, you can share those videos or those resources in this private Slack channel, and it will help you to grow your channel, or it will help you to grow your blogging website also. All right, so this will build a community, and you can have the networking opportunities. They will be having the events locally, or what you can say online, so that you can attend those events, or you can attend those sessions by weekly or monthly basis, and they will notify you on your email address. And they will also provide you the $500 credit. This will be the Amazon AWS $500 credit that you can use in your project. Let's say if you want to create multiple projects, or after that you want to create videos, or you want to write a blog about these projects, you can use this $500 in order to make those projects and experiment with the AWS services. All right, so this will be helpful for you. And let's say if this $500 credit expires, or if you use all of them, then you can submit another application that, hey, my $500 are now gone, or they are used, so if you give me $500 more, I will be really happy. So they will provide you another $500 they will give you, and you can experiment with the AWS resources. After that, you will be given the free access to the Cloud Academy. So if you take a look at the Cloud Academy, let me just show you. Cloud Academy. Yeah, this is a company. Yeah, this is a website that will be through which you can learn the cloud technologies like the AWS community web services, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, and other things like DevOps, Linux, etc. So it will give you 1 year free access. So as you can see that I have an account here, so you can apply for it, and they will provide you the free access to this website also, so that you can learn it. All right, so let's close this. All right, and after that, and they will also provide you the swags, like I will be showing you later on in this video, that what are the swags that will be provided to you. And you have to submit a report monthly, so that how much content you have created, and what are the things that you have discussed in those content, like the blogs or the videos. And after that, you will submit those reports on monthly basis. All right, so that they can monitor you. So yeah, these are the things that will be provided to you, and these are the frequently asked questions. So let's take a look at them one by one. So who can apply to the AWS Community Builders program? So any individual who is 18-year-old or passionate about building on AWS can apply to the AWS Community Builder program. All right, so if you are 18-year-old or more than 18-year-old, then you can apply for it. So the application process is open to AWS technical builders worldwide. So this is open worldwide, and interested individuals are welcome and encouraged to apply. So yeah, so these are the things. AWS Community Builder program seek applicants from all regions, demographics, or underrepresented communities. After that, what are the criteria of this? So the application will be reviewed twice a year, as I have said you, and applicants who are accepted into this program will be invited twice a year on basis. While there is no single specific criterion for being accepted into the program, but there is no specific criteria, but you need to be creating the content, as I have done in my when I was applying for the AWS Community Builder program. I will show you that I created the content of the AWS before applying. So this is the thing that you need to do. Emphasis is placed on evidence and accuracy of technical content that helps other AWS focused builders, such as blog posts, videos, open source contributions, and presentations. So these are the things that you need to do in order to apply for it, and they will basically this process will make it easy for you to apply, and the chances will be higher if you apply for this after making these contributions. All right, the chances will be higher, and you will be selected there. So online knowledge sharing, such as posts to AWS repost, Stack Overflow, Reddit, is also considered. Links must be viewable to the general public to be valid. All right, so these are the information that you need to share in order to apply for it. So this is the main criteria, although there is no specific criteria, but they are encouraging these things so that you can share the content online. So what are the expectations for the members of the AWS Community Builders? So program members are encouraged to join virtual calls, like they will be provided in the private Slack channels, and you can participate in learning opportunities, continue to share or produce educational or technical content. You need to create these contents, like you can have the YouTube channel, or you can have the blog posts through which you can share these contents. Actively engage with help with AWS community and demonstrate continued interest in learning about AWS. So yeah, how long does the AWS Community Builder program last? So the AWS Community Builder is an ongoing initiative built in 1 year intervals for program members. So this is a 1 year program, and after that, after 1 year, you have to reapply again in order to become an AWS Community Builder again. All right. So many members will feel like the skills they have gained after 1 year are sufficient and exit, while others may easily reapply to remain in the program for another year. All right. Part of the reapplication process is showing example of content contributions that help other AWS community builders. So it basically, if you contributed much, then after reapplying, they will also see those resources, that what are the contributions that you made in the previous year. All right. So how is the AWS Community Builder program different from AWS Community Heroes program? So the AWS Community Builder program accepts application, while the AWS Heroes program is an invitation only recognition program. So in the AWS Heroes program, they will invite you. You won't apply, but they will invite you. But in the AWS Community Builder program, you have to send them the application. All right. The Community Builder program focuses on offering education and community engagement opportunities for a larger number of interested and active community builders, whereas the Heroes program has favor members. Being a part of the Community Builder program does not exclude you from the future nomination of the Heroes program. So you can become a part of the Heroes program if you are an active AWS community builder. All right. So what does the community builder program cost anything for members? No, it costs nothing. It is free, so you can apply for it for free, and they will provide you all the resources so that you can learn from them. All right. What are the benefits of joining the AWS Community Builder program? You will be provided the access to AWS product teams, information about new services, features via weekly webinars. learning from AWS subject matter experts in a variety of non-technical topics, including content creation and support for submitting CFPs and securing speaking engagements. You will be provided AWS promotional credits, like I have discussed, that will be $500, and if you use those $500, you will be provided $500 again. But you can also only use those credits for building projects and for using the AWS services. You cannot withdraw them. All right. And other helpful resources to support content creation and community based work. All right. So some surprises also, that are the snacks that I received, I will be showing you. And what services category, what service categories are represented in the program. So when you will apply for the AWS Community Builder program, they will assign you some category, like the cloud, like the dev tools, or other things. Like currently the program covers the following areas. Like they will be providing you the containers category. They can also provide you the database category. They can provide you the developer tools. This is my category. They can provide you the front-end web and mobile technologies. They can provide you the game technologies, Graviton or ARM development, cloud ops, machine learning, network content, delivery and security and identity, serverless and storage. These are all the categories that will be provided to you by them, not you by your choice. So you can create content around those category if you want to. All right. So yeah, these are all the frequently asked questions. So now let's take a look at my journey. So basically, I have told you before that when I applied for the AWS Community Builder program, I already created the AWS videos also. So as you can see, if I show you the my YouTube channel, this is my YouTube channel. You can take a look at this, I Bilal K. And as you can see, these are the recent videos that I created. But before applying for the AWS Community Builder program, I completed my 60 days of DevOps. All right. So inside this 60 days of DevOps, I created about 8 or 10 videos of the AWS. If I show you, you can see, yeah, these are all the videos that I created. So I'll scroll down. Yeah, this is Ansible. These are all the videos. Cloud computing. You can see here that this is the continuous learning cloud computing for 58, and after that this is the day 60 or 58. What is where is 60? Yeah, this is the Helm commands. This is the where they are scattered now, but as you can see here, that this is the before and after cloud. This is the elastic compute. These are all the videos that I made. All right, as you can see that storage optimized instances of the AWS. These are accelerated instances. So this was a brief introduction of the AWS services that I created. And once I create those resources, after creating those content, I got a message from Julia that, hey, why you should not apply for the AWS Community Builder program. I was not aware of this. I just opened the website, and after that I applied for it. I filled up the form by mentioning my 60 days of DevOps and all the technologies that I discussed in that 60 days of DevOps. I mentioned my YouTube channel and the Hashnode account. As you can see here, that this is my Hashnode account. If you take a look at this, these are the recent blogs that I wrote, and I mentioned all of these blogs and some of the blogs that I wrote, as you can see here. Yeah, so I submitted some of the blogs that were relevant to the AWS, or I submitted my GitHub repository also, in which I created the notes of the AWS. So yeah, I basically focused on the content creation, and that's the reason that I said that, hey, I'm a content creator and I will create more content around AWS if I become an AWS community builder. But previously I was not aware that whether I should be focusing more on the AWS, so that's why I just created some of the videos, but that were enough. And I also got access to one person. If I go to the talks session, you can see that this is a playlist. If I go to the talks, you can see that I talked with a lot of people, and yeah, this is a person, Chris Short. Yeah, so if you take a look at this, yeah, close this one. Let's wait for it. Yeah, so this is a person I talked to. Basically, he said that he referred me, and he said he's working in AWS. So he said that he referred me in the AWS Community Builder program, and I talked with him. I learned a lot of things from him, like building small projects or big projects, or contributing to open source also. So yeah, this was a few months ago, 3 months ago, before when I have had a session with him. But after that, what I did is that I waited for some time, and as a result I got notification from the AWS that, hey, you are selected as the AWS Community Builder program. So yeah, this was my journey, and this was the thing that I did before applying for the AWS Community Builder program. And what I want you to recommend is to start writing blogs and start creating content on YouTube and Hashnode. As you can see here, that the date of this reopening is July 2023, and currently this is May. So there are 2 months still remaining. So if you want to create content, and if you write blogs and other things, the chances are, if you apply for this what you can say, the AWS Community Builder program, you will be selected due to your content. All right, so I would recommend you to apply for this, and this will be really helpful for you. So now let's take a look at some of the swags that I received when I applied for this. So finally I got this box. As you can see here, that this is the box that contains some kind of stuff that I shared on Twitter also, but I'm going to show you one by one. I opened this box, so sorry about that, but let me just show you. As you can see here, that this is the box that contains some kind of swag. So let me just put this box away. And the first thing is this bag. You can see this is the bag. And after that, there are some stuff like the first one is this glass, like this one. All right, so let's open it for you. Yeah, this is a AWS Community Builder bottle builder. Yeah, and after that, this is a cap. So yeah, I can wear this cap, but yeah, but it is not fitting here. I have to remove this and wear this one. All right, so after that, this is a diary. As you can see here, this is a diary, and this is a pen that is present inside this diary. All right, so let me just open this diary for you. Yeah, AWS Community Builder diary. And now after that, the next thing is the, what you can say, this these are the some of the cables that I can use it if I want to. There are multiple cables, you can connect it to one cable like this one. And this is some of the what you can say, stickers that I received about the AWS Community Builder. So I can attach those stickers in my laptop back. So yeah, you can take a look at this one. All right, so this is a thing that I received as a AWS Community Builder program. So yeah, this was a thing. So I hope you understood, and the whole process that I showed you, and I hope you liked this video and all the swags that I received. But the most important thing is the content creation and learning in public, and sharing the content so that you can help others people also. And if you became active in the community, you can get a chance with talking with many amazing people, and they will help you a lot more than these swags also. All right, so I hope you like this and understood this video, and if you liked it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, then ask those questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer all of them. So till then, goodbye.